Let's explore the secret rules of circles, a geometry essential for physics, engineering, and even computer vision. These theorems reveal a beautiful logic hidden in plain sight. The most fundamental rule governs perspective. The center of a circle always has a bigger view. The angle it sees from an arc is exactly double the angle seen from any point on the edge. If the edge view is 40 degrees, the center view is 80. Simple as that. Now, what if we stay on the edge? Imagine a chord at the bottom of a circle. If you connect its ends to a point on the top arc, you form an angle. Here's the magic. It doesn't matter where you slide that point along the arc, the angle stays exactly the same. This is the equal view rule, often forming a bow tie or butterfly shape inside the circle. It's a powerful tool. It lets you transport an angle from one part of the circle to another. This leads to a special case, Daly's theorem. What happens when the chord is the diameter? A diameter is a straight line, so its angle at the center is 180 degrees. Based on our first rule, the angle at the edge must be half of that, a perfect 90-degree right angle, every single time. Finally, what if we place a four-sided shape inside? If all four corners touch the edge, it's a cyclic quadrilateral with its own magic rule. The opposite angles always add up to 180 degrees. If one angle is 85, its opposite must be 95. They are supplementary, creating a perfect balance. This is a litmus test for shapes that can be perfectly inscribed in a circle. From the center's double vision to the perfect balance of a cyclic quad, the circle follows an elegant, unbreakable set of rules. Master them, and you've learned a fundamental language of the universe.